Most small businesses think they have a marketing problem, but in reality they have a foundation problem. They're posting content that doesn't sell, they're running ads way too early, and then they're wondering why nothing's working. In this video I'm breaking down exactly the 3 biggest mistakes that are costing you your sales and the exact steps to fix them before you waste another cent on ads. Let's start with mistake number 1. Your profile doesn't instantly tell people what exactly it is that you do. If I land on your page and have to scroll to find out who you are and what you sell, I'm long gone from your page. And this applies to your personal brand, this applies to whatever offline business you run, this applies to your online businesses, anything that I have to dig to find out what you do, I'm gone. I don't even care anymore. Your bio, your profile picture, and top content, they should all instantly tell me, oh, this guy's selling, for example, let's say, his barber service, I need the haircut. Or this guy's selling his jewelry, or this guy is a social media manager. Your bio, your profile picture, and your top content should instantly make it clear who you help, what you offer, and why people should care. Mistake number 2 is that your posts have no clear intention. Every single post should have a purpose. They either should sell, they either should be to build trust, or they should be to show that it actually works, to showcase results. If it's not neither of those, then you're just filling your page with noise that's gonna get ignored. That's the truth of it. I really hope my hair isn't whacked this time, because I'm actually re-recording this video. And this is where I think most businesses fail, because I've been seeing a lot of ads from my country, and every time I can tell that they have no idea what they're doing, because the post that I'm watching, the ad, I don't even know why they paid for an ad, to be honest. I think in many cases they would have done much better with only organic ads, which means they don't even have to pay for it. Mistake number 3 is that you have no call to action, which means people don't know what they have to do to either buy your product, to engage with your product, or to contact you. Or they just don't know what the next step is, so they'll scroll right past your content. Because if you're not telling people what they should be doing exactly, then they won't even care about your stuff and they'll forget in 2 minutes. People need direction, whether it's in life or whether it's your ads. Ads fail without a foundation. Running ads before fixing your foundation, your home page, is like pouring water into a bucket full of holes. Ads won't fix a messy page. Ads won't fix a weak brand. They will only amplify it, meaning, much like money, ads are an amplifier. So if your brand's whack, then it will amplify the whack and nobody will care about it. But if your brand's strong and its message is clear, then ads will do it justice and it will become a strong ad and people will buy. If your page converts, then ads are for you. If your page is shit, then forget about ads. So now, I will present you with my exact framework that I use with clients before I even think about paying for ads. First, we have to clarify the brand offer, what we're selling or what we're offering to the people who are watching our content. We need to make it crystal clear how we help, what we do exactly, and what they will get from working with you or working with us. Then we need to create 5 to 10 high value posts to prove that we can actually deliver our results. This can be case studies, tips, transformations, success stories, whatever you want. Just create posts that prove that you're legit. And then you need to add call to actions, because no one's seeming to add call to actions on their ads. I don't know why. It's an ad, for God's sake. Whether it's click the link, book a call, DM this word, DM that word, DM this emoji, DM that, I don't care. Just add a call to action. If you're tired of guessing why your social media isn't bringing in those sales that were promised to you when you bought them ads, I'll fix these exact problems for you. You don't have to worry about it. Just DM the word analysis and I'll tell you exactly what's wrong with your page. My Instagram's down below. If you don't know still after this video, I'll analyze your profile and tell you what's wrong with it, but I'll fix it for a fee. These fixes are often simple, but the results can be huge. If you understood this video, then be sure to subscribe to my YouTube.